Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Managing multiple old 401k accounts can often feel like a juggling act. Consolidating them dramatically simplifies your financial life, making it much easier to keep track of your retirement savings. It also offers the potential for greater control over your investments and can even help reduce fees over time. Thinking about streamlining your retirement funds is a smart move for your future. When it comes to consolidating your old 401k plans, you actually have a couple of main pathways. One very popular choice is to roll it directly into your current employer's 401k, assuming their plan allows for it. Another fantastic option, which many people prefer, is to move those funds into an individual retirement account, commonly known as an IRA. Both choices aim to simplify your financial picture. Rolling an old 401k into your current employer's plan can be quite a straightforward process. First, it's a good idea to confirm if your new 401k actually accepts rollovers from previous employers, as not all plans do. Once you've confirmed, simply contact your new plan administrator. They will guide you through the necessary steps to initiate that transfer smoothly. This keeps all your active employment retirement funds in one place. Moving your old 401k into an IRA truly opens up a world of much broader investment choices, giving you more flexibility. You'll want to decide if a traditional IRA or a Roth IRA is better suited for your personal tax situation, which is an important consideration. Simply open an account with a reputable brokerage firm, and they can help you initiate a direct rollover with your old plan provider. It's a great way to truly take charge of your retirement savings. Before you make any big moves, always be aware of potential fees that might be involved, especially when transferring assets. It's also crucial to fully understand the tax implications before making any consolidation decisions, as rules can vary. Finally, talking to a qualified financial advisor can provide incredibly valuable, personalized guidance for your unique financial situation. They can help ensure you make the best choice for your long-term goals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.